He can stand up there. Let him stand up there. You can move. Remy, don't put his hand away. Remy. Why don't you go to the other side? Levi's just trying to learn how to stand. He won't get your trains and cars if you move him out of the way.
Get it.
Now if you put him there, he will get him. That's okay.
I'm going to right here.
Okay. Levi's gonna get it, but that's okay.
Right here. Right here.
That's fine. Sure, that's a great place for Mac.
Right here.
Sure.
Right here.
He's definitely gonna go for it down there.